Hi everyone. Today we are tackling the #1 frustration in automation, timeouts. If you've ever tried to connect Zenphi to a heavy AI model, a PDF converter, or a large data system, you've probably seen your flow fail after 60 seconds with a timeout error. Why does this happen? It's because you are using synchronous communication for a job that should be asynchronous. Think of it like ordering a pizza, the synchronous way, the old way. You call the pizza shop, place your order, and then you hold the phone to your ear for 20 minutes while they bake it. If you hang up, you lose your order. Eventually, the phone line cuts out. This is why your flows time out. They get tired of holding the phone. The asynchronous way, the Zenphi way. You call, place your order, and say, "I am going to hang up now. Here is my direct number. Call me back when it's ready." You hang up immediately. You are free to do other work. 20 minutes later, the shop calls you back. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this exact call me back pattern in Zenphi. To demonstrate this, I have built two separate flows to simulate a real-world scenario. Flow 1 is our pizza shop. This represents the external server, like Adobe Sign or Cloud Convert. It receives an order, waits 1 minute to simulate the baking time, and then, this is the important part, it looks into the headers of the request. It finds a specific header called Zenphi callback URL and calls that number back. Flow 2 is our hungry customer. This is the main flow. Instead of a standard HTTP action, I am using make HTTP call with callback. Notice that I am not typing any callback URL in the body. I don't need to. Zenphi automatically injects that secret URL into the header for me. It handles the handshake automatically. Let's hit run. Watch the status. Okay, it'll pause the flow. This means Zenphi has sent the order and hung up the phone. It is now technically sleeping. Over here in the pizza shop, we can see a new run has started. It received the order and it has entered the 1-minute delay. So while we wait for this pizza to bake, let's talk about why this is so powerful. First, resource efficiency. Right now, our main flow is using 0 compute resources. With the callback method, the flow is completely paused until the phone rings. Second, security. You might be wondering, is it safe to give out a callback URL? Yes. The URL Zenphi generates is unique to this specific run, and it expires once it's used. It's like a temporary burner phone number. And finally, real-world application. In this video, I built a pizza shop flow to show you the mechanics. But in the real world, you won't usually build the server. You will be connecting to tools like Adobe Acrobat Sign, Cloud Convert, or OpenAI's Batch API. All of those services support this. You just need to check their documentation. If they say they support webhooks or async processing, you can use this exact action. You send the request, Zenphi sleeps, and when they are done processing your heavy files, they wake Zenphi up. Okay, our time is up. The pizza shop flow has finished the delay. It just grabbed that URL from the header and executed the callback. Now let's check our main flow. Look at that. It was sleeping for a full minute, but the millisecond the pizza shop called back, it woke up and finished successfully. We just successfully performed an asynchronous handshake. Remember, you don't need to generate the URL yourself. Zenphi puts it in the Zenphi callback URL header automatically. You just need to make sure the other service knows to look for it. Stop waiting on the line for your API calls and start using callbacks. Thanks for watching.